Hola, bienvenidos a mi canal. Si es la primera que ves que mi cara bonita, bienvenidos. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome. And if you are a new subscriber, welcome. In this video, I'll be trying the claw clip hairstyle that trended a while ago. I've been super scared to try it as I thought my hair was quite short, and also because I am scared to put gel on my hair. So I'll be sectioning my hair into three parts, two at the front and of course one at the back, and I'll be making this pretty rabbit tail bun at the center of my head. So I pull my hair in quick twists because my shrinkage happens super fast and I didn't want to struggle with trying to slick my hair, hence the twists. Of course, I started with adding a little gel at the back because I wanted the whole thing to look sleek. And then we're going ahead to do our bun. And afterwards, we'll be going ahead to sleek the sides of our hair. I'll be doing these in little sections so that this hairstyle can look as sleek as possible. Trying to sleek your natural hair on shrinkage is a struggle. It is a struggle. Yes, I am complaining because my back and my neck still hurts. But anywho, will I do it again? Of course, yes. Yes, I will. Thank you, Jane Berry, for being the first to comment in my last video. If you want a shout out from me, be the first to drop a comment in this particular video, and I will give you a shout out in the next one. Anything I talk where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, now in my ritual. I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. We're coming to the end of this video. If you haven't given this video a huge thumbs up, what are you waiting for? ¿Qué pasa? What is the problem? Please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, okay? If you noticed, you'd see that I did a little twist out at the tip of my bun because I didn't like the way the whole rabbit bun was looking. Yeah, so I prefer this twist. So do whatever you want with your hair and look sweet like a potato. I will see you in my next video. Ciao, kidate.